Hello, my name is Bishop Hall. I'm recording this segment for the Reach program at LinkedIn. First, I'll be going through my portfolio site, which uses HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript. So with my HTML file, using class selectors, a pretty simple web page with lots of links to my GitHub profile and my LinkedIn as well. Next, you can look at my CSS. I use different properties to set the style that I like. I also imported fonts from Google Fonts. Next, this is my query selector for CSS. This is targeting the screen width and to make my web page dynamic. Next, I'll be going over JavaScript that I use. I use a little bit of DOM manipulation, only using query selectors. Next, I will be going over FizzBuzz. I was given a set of instructions from in my boot camp. I used core Java and TDD, test-driven development, to come up with a solution for this challenge. When a given integer, I was to correctly print out the string. So if an integer that is a multiple of 3, I need to print out the string fizz. If it's a multiple of 5, buzz, or 7, quicks. If it's all 3 of them, I would have a string that look like this. So here in my code, in my class, I wrote a simple method, a simple logic method that would see if with it would check true or false. It would return a boolean to see if a number is multiple of 3, and if it is, it would return fizz, and this would be concatenated to this output here, and then we are returning the output here, and that is doing that with all 3 of these methods with different numbers. And I did this with the JUnit 5. So here we created a new instance of the class, and we checked if that number given is equal to 1 to check if we have a correct logic. We also did the same here, created an instance of the class, and then we checked if it is given number is 2, then we would have a string of that number 2, because we're returning here we're returning the string here. Next, I'll be going before I do that, let me just create a main method to make sure the code is working. So here we would be expecting the string FizzBuzz. Yep. In the main method class, we do have FizzBuzz, so it is working correctly.